In this video, I'm going to show you how you could move positions within the digital asset. Right. So on our demo tenant, here we have some images. I just want to move their position. So, for example, I want this one to be moved to the front. The reason for doing this is in some websites you may actually want to be able to position these. So in an integration to a channel, for example, if this was going to say Shopify or whatever, you may actually want those images displayed in a particular order. So there's a reordering activity that you can use within the PIM. I'm just going to show you a fashion one that we've developed. Obviously, there's a lot of styling going on here, but the principle is exactly the same. We've got our image. We want to send these to different Shopify sites, and on those sites, they need to be the images need to be shown within specific areas. So, with a little bit of styling, we could basically just be dragging these to the relevant page. This will just push these up to the website and display them in this order. Or we could just drag them back. So just showing you, how you can do things within the PIM. That makes it a lot easier. This is just an example of how a physical customer of ours uses this. You can see, it's the same interface, obviously styled differently with some better UI, to move things, but for basically to in this instance, it's where do they appear within the PIM. So we can achieve these types of things using the AP platform.